Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 20th of March 2023. Last week, my colleague Josh went long natural gas at $2.53 on this daily financial bet. And we still have a stop loss in place at $2.10 and an upside target at $3.50. So this trade is still running. Now, I would like to have a risky trade on today, and I would like to go long the German DAX 40 index on this daily financial bet at 14,850 with a stop loss below today's low at 14,458 and an upside target at 15,400. Now, the reason I'm doing that is that even though the banking crisis in Europe is ongoing, we've had a very strong sell-off in the DAX 40 earlier today, taking us down to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement of the entire advance seen since December of last year. And we are in the process of perhaps forming a hammer formation. Now, normally you should wait for the hammer to be formed and then trade on the breakout of the hammer on the next day. But because I have to do these slots on Monday, I am taking the risk of going long at the moment on this chart, based on what I believe might happen in the future. But it is a risky trade because you're trading against the trend and you need to be very nimble about it. So once you are in profit of this trade, once the DAX rises, I would urge you to ratchet up your stop loss level pretty quickly. So for example, if we are around 15,100, maybe you should raise your stop loss to the mid-March low around 14,650, and then once we are at 15,200, you just move it higher and higher to make it close to your break-even level as quickly as possible. So today's trade of the week is to go long the DAX 40 contract at 14,850 with a stop loss at 14,458 and an upside target at 15,400.